All right, everyone, important updates on the BTC wave structure. I'm going to show you in this video why I think 95K is imminent. Minimum 95. Let's push. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at as I am sitting long BTC. I am sitting long Ethereum over on Blowfin, BTC over on BitUnix. I'm going to show you where I'm taking Ethereum as well in this video. If you watch my previous videos, guys, I told you this trend line needed to hold for me. We were in a nice juicy long up here, closed out of that sucker, nice profits on it, and we are long again. I told you guys this is what we were doing. I hope you listened to me. Over in Premium Discord, did shimmy our way into a long over on Ethereum. We did get into a long over on Bitcoin, and those are the two longs that we are sitting in currently. Just following through with the plan. All right, so without further ado, guys, let's just get right into the analysis for you here today. I did post this chart over on X. It's a nice clean chart. Drop a follow over on X, guys, at chart_junkies if you want the quick gist of what the video is going to be about today. This is the wave structure that I'm looking at. Nice little ABC. I want to take out this trend line, guys. I want to take out the freaking trend line. Can we do it here? Can we do it? Now, things have changed for me slightly, guys. Things have changed for me slightly. I was looking for a massive impulsive wave to the upside, and I needed this trend line right here to hold in order for that to take place for me. For the probabilities to be in favor of that count, I needed that trend line to hold. We broke that trend line. So things are changing, things are evolving as they always do, right? I still think more upside is coming. I don't really see a massive impulsive wave. It can happen. The probabilities just have gone down for me. That's it. So I'm not going to be playing a massive ripper to the upside. I personally am going to be playing if this low is to hold, and that's a big if, guys. That's a big if. I like where we're at. We're touching this trend line now. Let's actually break above this trend line. They've messed with it enough here. They took out liquidity to the upside, took it to the downside. Like, let's go. What I'm going to be playing, and we're going to zoom in on this, I'm going to go over the entire structure, is more of a corrective move to 95, and then from there we have a couple options. Market makers have plenty of options here. We can either start hitting to the downside in a big way, put in more of a correction like so, or we can actually go up to all-time high in the form of an ending diagonal. Like I've shown you in previous videos, I've shown you this ending diagonal many and many a times, and it's still on the table. But needless to say, I don't like a straight up thrust coming here for BTC at this point in time. At least at this point in time, I will not be holding this long forever. If we are blessed enough to get up to these levels, I will be looking to take my chips off of the table. I'm telling you right now. But there are very bullish things happening for me here. On the 1 hour time frame, we got bullish divergence. Here, let me get rid of everything. 1 hour time frame. Bull div. 2 hour time frame, bull div. Clear bull div. 6 hour. Oversold pretty much. Like we're ready to come to the upside, right? It just looks like a 4 hour for sure. We're ready to start curving to the upside. Is this just going to correct up and then give us a shot to the downside like so? It can. I'm going to be babying these trades, guys. I'm going to be babying these trades. Stop losses are moved break even. Here is the BTC trade over on BitUnix. I can't even zoom in on that for you guys. 3K in profit on that one. ETH is 6,500 in profit on that one. So it's fine, and we got good entry on ETH. Took a couple two tries to get in. We are in. That's trading. BTC, we've been holding this long for a minute. Just more of a swing position over in the Premium Discord. Now, let's zoom in a tad on the BTC chart and see what the wave structure is looking like here. But overall, guys, I'm looking for a trend line to break. I'm looking for this to come up and suck up liquidity up here around 95K. I'm drawing my fib like so. The 1618 is up around 95K, 90, anywhere from 93 to 97K looks good to me in the 618 box, 1618 box. Let's come up here. Now, why did I pull my fibs like that? Why am I looking up there? Well, if this bottom holds, there's a big if. I'm going to be looking at this as some type of a starting wave here. I have a correction down, correction up, impulsive wave to the downside. That to me is a flat correction. We come down to the 1618 box here very beautifully. I mean, we are right there. If this holds and we actually, guys, if we get up in here, yeah, I'm calling this bottom for at least a move up to the 1-to-1, which would be around 90K, right? 1-to-1's coming in at 90,700. So I would be at least looking for that move, and even that would break through the trend line. You know, as you can see here, I mean, that would be just up to 90K. We're with conviction coming through the trend line. We have bullish divergence on the chart. We're in the 1618 box of a flat. It's just looking too good for me not to be long here. Looking too good for me not to be long here. I understand the bearish sentiment. I get everyone's bearish, the tariffs, whatever. I understand it. But, guys, I just play the charts. I play my Elliott wave structures consistently, and I have no bias to what's going on or what other people are thinking. I just rip the charts my way, my style, consistently, and that's where my edge is at. So I continue to do it. All right. That's what I'm looking at, guys. A flat correction. Now, I'm going to give you an alternative count here. Trend line. Drawn in. What we could be experiencing, if we're going to come down and take out 76K, I don't like just a deep cut, deep wave coming in. And we're going to check out Ethereum too as well. I almost forgot. I do not like just a solid impulsive wave to the downside. It just doesn't make sense to me looking at the wave structure. I'm not going to go into that right now. What I would be entertaining is a correction down here into a correction up into another correction down. But that would mean at least a retrace like so. Like we're still going to come up, and then we can, you know, if we put in this corrective shape to the downside, okay. All right, that's fine. I get it. I just don't think we're going to keep piping to the downside here. I don't see it on the chart for BTC. But I will be watching out for a move like this, maybe bouncing off this trend line, playing on this trend line some more. But I really think it's time to just come suck up all this liquidity. Let's hit up here. And then from there, it's decision time if we want to correct down and correct back up and keep doing the whole liquidity sweep market maker deal. We can do that. Let's hop over to ETH. So my plan for the Ethereum long. You know, as I said, Ethereum can definitely come down and take out a slow burn. I mean, we're there. The structure is there for it. I can see a nice finished corrective structure here. But what I am looking at to kind of coincide with BTC's wave structure is more of a correction here. And then I have a flat coming down here. We retrace to the 90% of said flat. And I'm looking for a move like this just to go along with BTC's move. It's a flat correction where we have a correction up, correction down that pretty much comes to the low. Looking for an impulsive wave to the upside. Here on ETH. Where is this going to go? I'm looking at fib targets upwards of 2,300. That's where the 1618 box is right now. That's my kind of rough estimate where I'm looking to take this long up to. But we'll see where BTC, you know, if it gets up to 95K, where Ethereum is at that point. And then from there, hey, we have potential to hit to the downside some more. We got this trend line here. Maybe ETH just hits off this trend line and just pipes to the downside. I'm ready for it. But I'm still long in this zone. I'm still long in this area. I'm not shorting this right now. I like an up move. Are we going to get a monster jam to the upside, straight ripper to the upside? It's possible. I'm not holding my breath for it, guys. I'm not holding my breath for it. Zoomed out. I'm just trying to get the low-hanging fruit, and that's this nice up move to at least 2,300. That's a very big move, and I want to be a part of it. I will keep you guys posted in tomorrow's video. If you want to trade on BitUnix or Blowfin, guys, they're both no KYC. I really, really, really recommend and suggest you to trade on 2 exchanges. Trust me, it will help out your life tremendously. It will help out your mindset tremendously. Trading on 2 exchanges, scalps on one, swings on another. I do have massive promotion bonuses for you guys if you want to give these exchanges a try and come trade with us. Help support my work as well. Pinned in the first comment down below are all the important links. Blowfin, you get their VIP 1 trading fee automatically, as well as a 10% deposit bonus. You can deposit max that, guys. Deposit max it. It's only going to April 3rd, so you have a couple more days. All you have to do is deposit cash. You get up to $5,000 in bonuses with that 10% deposit bonus. So you can deposit max it up to $5K for the bonus. Take advantage of that. BitUnix, you get their VIP 2 trading fee tier. You can get 10% back up to $400 over there, and then $100 for every million trading volume. That's uncapped. So take advantage of that as well. That is going through the end of the month here. Deposit max BitUnix. Deposit max Blowfin. The Blowfin bonus is crazy, guys. I will see you in tomorrow's video. Drop a follow over on X. That's pinned in the first comment down below as well. You need to be on X. I post daily over on X. I'll see you over there, guys. Appreciate you watching. Trade safe. I love you. Bye.